Howdy guys, wanted to show an update to the bike for the connectivity of the triple 60-volt battery, external batteries with the e-bike. So it's quadruple 60-volt batteries. Originally it had a parallel cable coming out of the battery blender connecting the batteries. It worked out fine. There were 12 gauge wires, but I updated to 10 gauge wires. Same setup. It's going to go to a more compact profile plug versus a long wire that splits into two. I've got two longer big wires with this smaller XT60 parallel connector. So both of these dual batteries up here will go to this plug, which goes to the first port to the battery blender. There's another parallel plug right there. This one's kind of side by side. So one wire goes into one port, so parallel plug into another parallel plug. And then the third battery is actually charging right now. It's at home, so it's not here. We'll go into this plug, right? So the third external, so 2 batteries here. The third one at the very top will go to this second port plug to the battery blender. So XT60 to the other side of the parallel connector of that XT60 to the battery blender. So total 80 Ah capacity, 60 volts total. They're all 60 amp BMS, so plenty for the bike. The bike speed controller is limited to 50 amps. I have a video coming up shortly. It's very cold out, so I noticed the cold weather does suck power. It doesn't provide as much amp output. So it gets a while to get the top speed, as well as, it's only probably hitting 46, 47. Normally I can get sustained 46, 47, peaks occasionally 48, a couple times to 50, 51 miles per hour. So it's all about what I'm noticing. Burst current, you'll see the burst current hit the speed controller and just get like a quick burst of high speed. So pretty good setup, no issues. I've had it been connected for 2 weeks with 4 batteries. I've had it connected with 3 batteries, 2 external and the bike battery for a couple months. No issues. Give that a shot.